About time you fucking do something.
A year later.
Literally over a year later. RC uppers. Double stack fucking nuts in the tire out in. What's up with that? Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to get some tires later and swap mine out and take my wheel lights off. You want some wheel lights? Sell them to you.
Tax.
No, not really.
How much?
200.
Nope.
That's not tax. They're like
I'm
three
broke.
something. You work for me.
Exactly.
Oh, you're right. So because I changed the gears in my truck to 373s, the fronts are still 342s. So to eliminate some issues, one being boots busting, like this one did. This one was on my truck. So I cut my CV axles right at this little lip. This part is what butts up against the hub right here. This little small lip. And then this part from here on is outside. Still have this holding my hub together and it won't show as much. I already had cut one side, so I cut this other one. So I'm about to go put it in, and I also have to take my wheel lights out because I can't run wheel lights with 17s, which I'm going to pick up some 17s and 37s in a minute. So I'll show you all that. So I took my wheel light off of this side already. I already put that axle in, or the cup of it. So as you can see, still greasy, but I cut off the perfect amount so it's not gonna hit anything and it doesn't look as stupid. I'll rinse it off and clean it one day, get all the grease off, but that's gonna solve my CV axle busting issue. Obviously the diff and drive shaft is still in, so you could still engage it in forward drive, but you got less of a reason to because you don't got axles. You got to take this brake caliper off, or kill the caliper off, take the road off, take the wheel light off. This one's kind of messed up anyway, but I'm gonna put that axle in real quick and got everything ready so when I get home I can put the 17s on. They're just some stocks in 37s, so it'd be something that I could ride around on and not have to worry about the JTXs. I'm trying to sell them, make a little profit off of them, but we'll see. And I'm gonna get alignment soon too because wheels are kind of going. When I did my wheel lights, after I did my powder and all that, I just put some little self-tappers, which wasn't the best idea because in the backs they fucked up, and then this one in the front messed up. Just backed out. Next time, if I ever do them again, I'll do nuts and bolts, those small nuts and bolts. But I'm just gonna disconnect it. I'll take all the wires out tomorrow probably, but. Dude got the stocky autos on it. Are you pissing now?
Come on, dude. 26 by 16, bro.
You got the 16 part, right?
Come on, no.
Just in, I think in the angle maybe. It's clean.
Don't. No center caps, bro. Don't check that out.
I won't check this out.
All my lugs.
I won't check that out.
Don't check that out either.
Look, I'm gonna get the good side.
All right, there you go. That's the only side I take pictures on, all right?
Where the light don't hit it too. That's what really helps.
Ah, see, now it looks good. Everything's paint matched. 26 by 16s. I got a fucking 10 to 12 Cognito on that hoe.
That bitch really would go dumb with some 16 wise or something.
Do I look like I got 16 wide money?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Fix to put the big meats on. They got an 8 tread. Pretty cheap. Didn't pay too much for them. They all got a little alignment wear, but they're all pretty decent treads. So for the amount I paid and have my rock lights working, they'll be alright. Just to roll on, got the caps too, so it'll be full Bubba mode. But I'm gonna throw them on and show y'all in a minute.